to our school. Welcome, we're glad you're here. Welcome!
So a long time ago, this was called the Hopper Center, and it was a school for children who had emotional and behavioral issues. And the school was relocated inside of an elementary school to be more inclusive. So Dr. Griffin had this vision of making it a pre-K center to just serve our earliest learners. We have we're probably close to 100 students here. We're still growing every day. And at the center, instead of just getting 3 hours a day for free from the state, the children get to come for free the whole day.
So over a year ago, a little group sat together really visioning, what do we need to do to promote STEM in Seminole County? And I think all of you know we are the #1 ranked STEM district in the state of Florida. So we really believe that in introducing children to STEM activities, to hands-on activities, to let them think analytically and do some different things at a very young age will excite them. Boys are showing a much greater interest in science, technology, engineering, and math. Initiatives like this will make young ladies also believe that they can participate in all of the STEM activities and eventually a career workforce in STEM.
Just last year at our annual Expo event at the Convention Center, we were able to partner with the Foundation for Seminole County Public Schools. We learned about the STEM classrooms, the playground that we were going to be able to participate in. And we had set a goal at that event to raise $30,000 to contribute to the STEM project. And to be able to raise $150,000 at that event was just really special.